In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Bitbucket username. Whether you've just created an account or you're returning after some time away, knowing how to locate your username is essential for managing your projects effectively. Let's jump right in and make sure you have all the necessary information you need, right at your fingertips. First, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Bitbucket account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bitbucket dashboard. This is your portal to all your repositories, teams, and everything in between. What you'll need to do here is direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a little icon, typically a profile picture or just a placeholder if you haven't uploaded one yet. Give that a click. It's your access point to all things related to your profile. After clicking on your profile icon, a menu will appear filled with options related to your Bitbucket account. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several different tabs and choices like Profile and Visibility, Email, Security, Privacy, Account Preferences, Connected Apps, Link Preferences, and Product Settings. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. For today's task, the option we're interested in is Profile and Visibility. Once you click on Profile and Visibility, you'll be presented with all the details related to your personal profile on Bitbucket. This section is crucial for modifying all settings that define who you are in the Bitbucket ecosystem. Here, you will find your username prominently displayed. Typically, it should be located at the top of this page, making it easy to spot. This is the identifier others will use to collaborate with you or tag you in repositories. Remember, your Bitbucket username is not just a label. It's an integral part of how others recognize you on the platform. This username is linked with all your activities, from commits to pull requests. Therefore, knowing where to find this can be supremely beneficial when you need to share your username with collaborators or add it to your documentation. That's pretty much it. Now you know exactly where to go and what to do to find your Bitbucket username. It's a simple process, but crucial for seamless collaboration and interaction on the platform. The next time you need to share or check your username, you can do so confidently and efficiently. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we hope it made your Bitbucket experience a little smoother. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.